give them an attacking point. I'm not gonna tell them I'm smite either yet. I guess they can expect if they wanted. It sounds like a
Nature staff.
and does he have
Great
you know,
nature
what?
staff. I'm
Does
gonna
he have
go.
name?
I'm
Does
gonna
he
go
have
on runes.
Does he have
I'm going
go
up.
out? Get out. Okay, go.
Trying to lock him down. Kill him, kill him. Good shit, dude. That was awesome. Dude, you're so smart with the smites. That was great. Oh, it brought me to him. I locked him. Oh, here we go. Do you see that stun right there? Oh.
Yeah, we don't want to let him go pick his buddy's gear up.
Alright.
I'm gonna go back. You keep chasing.
Sure.
I'm serious.
Come on, buddy. Let's 1v1.
Oh, he has some good shit, dude.
Really?
He has that hood that's worth like 200k. 4.2 hood that lenses.
I might die.
No way.
Are you guys inside the hall gate?
Come to me.
Okay. Good job, man.